Did you know that you can use EBT for restaurant meals? It's true. The Restaurant Meals Program makes it possible for certain eligible SNAP recipients in Illinois to purchase hot, ready-to-eat meals from participating restaurants. Whether you're elderly, disabled, or homeless, this program can make life a little easier by giving you access to prepared meals when cooking at home isn't necessarily an option for you. So today we're going to talk about everything you need to know about this program, who qualifies, how it works, and which restaurants are a part of it. So the Restaurant Meals Program is a unique feature of the federal food stamps law, but it's not available everywhere. States can choose whether or not to offer it, and Illinois only recently joined in. The program launched in the late spring of 22 as a pilot program in Cook, DeWitt, and Franklin counties, with participating restaurants limited to just a few specific zip codes during that initial phase. It has expanded a bit since then. So, who's eligible for this? Well, first, you must already receive SNAP benefits and live in Illinois. That's a given. But then you also need to meet at least one other criteria. Everyone in your household must be 60 or older, disabled, or homeless. If you're disabled, you'll need some sort of proof of that, like SSI, SSDI, VA disability benefits, or other qualifying documentation. If you think you qualify but you don't have this proof, the Illinois Department of Human Services can help determine your eligibility. This program is meant for those who truly need help preparing meals, because they can't easily do that on their own. So now let's talk about what this program does. Normally, SNAP benefits can only be used to buy groceries, not restaurant meals. But the Restaurant Meals Program is a game changer for those who qualify. It allows you to use your EBT card at participating restaurants to buy hot prepared food. However, it does not increase the amount of your benefits, so you'll still need to stick to your current SNAP budget, which can be really hard to do, especially if you're buying restaurant meals. And there are, of course, still restrictions. You can't buy alcohol, you can't pay for delivery or tips or non-food items. But on the bright side, participating restaurants won't charge you taxes on your purchases either. So if you think you qualify but you're not sure, contact the IDHS customer helpline at the number you see on screen to confirm that your EBT account has this feature enabled. Once it's set up, using your card is simple. You just swipe it like you would at the grocery store. But instead of bagging groceries, you'll sit down with a hot meal. So where can you go? Right now, there are 7 restaurants that are part of this program in Illinois, and we're going to go one by one. BJ's Market and Bakery on 95th Street in Chicago participates. Bonnie's Cafe in West Frankfort Plaza also participates, but that location is the only Bonnie's that accepts SNAP benefits, so you need to make sure that you go to the West Frankfort Plaza location. Caribbean Jerk Palace 3 on Halsted Street is also approved to accept SNAP EBT benefits, as is the Doughboys Chicago on 71st Street. Firehouse Bakery and Grill is also an option for you. They're also located on 75th Street in Chicago. JJ's Fish and Chicken has a location on 79th Street that can accept EBT, and there is a Joe's Pizza in Benton as well that can accept those benefits. Unfortunately, Ocean Wave Soul and Seafood, which was previously listed as a participant, appears to have permanently closed. That being said, we're optimistic that this will roll out to more restaurants in the future. I know this is a great resource for those who can't cook their own food at home, either because they're homeless or disabled or elderly. So go check that out if you think you might be eligible. Make sure that you visit the link that you see on screen, because that's where you're going to find the most up-to-date list of restaurants in your area where you can use these benefits. And if you've ever done this before, drop a note in the comments and let us know where you went and what it was like, because I'm always interested in hearing about your experiences. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more ways to save money and get free stuff. I'll see you there.